Well, alright everybody, my name's Joshua Robinson here at How To, and today we're going to be talking about how to overcome stage fright. Now there's always going to be unexpected things that pop up in your videos, but today we're going to be talking about how to overcome those. So let's jump right in. Hey, what's up everybody? So I want to go ahead and before we get started, let you all know that at the end of this video, we're going to be announcing the winner of the giveaway in our last video that we put out. So yeah, I'm super excited about that. Make sure you stick around to the end. And now let's go ahead and jump right in to this content. Alright guys, so I just want to hop right in and let's start with tip number one, and that is be presentable. And what I mean by that, guys, is just simply by dressing well, by making sure that you have a clean set, and by set I mean just the area that you're filming in, just pick up around it. That, guys, gives you the confidence of knowing that when you put out the video that it's going to look well, it's going to give a more professional appearance to your video, which in turn is going to give you confidence while you're making that video, because you're not worried about everybody looking at you and or your set or anything like that, and it just gives one less thing that you have to worry about when making content. As well as, guys, when being presentable is just always make sure you have a smile on your face. Something I learned in the food industry is even when you're talking through a drive-through, they trained us to talk with a smile on our face, because when we do that, it comes through the speaker a happier tone in your voice. And so that automatically, guys, when you go back and view your video and you notice the smile and your viewers do notice it, it just kind of gives you a little bit more confidence that, hey, this person is comfortable in what they're doing, this person probably knows what they're talking about, and they enjoy the content that they're putting out. Which, guys, when you can go into it knowing that when you post content like that, it just gives you a little bit more confidence in what you're doing and what you're posting, which also just leads in to tip number two. Now, tip number two is to prepare, guys. Now, when preparing videos, my suggestion is to create an outline for your videos. Now, this gives you the ability to know exactly what you're going to talk about without having to write an entire script for the video. And the reason, guys, that I suggest doing an outline rather than a script is because when you do a script, guys, it causes you to rehearse what you're going to do over and over and over again, and that rehearsal comes across over into the content that you're putting out. Now, the viewers and the audience watching your content want to feel like that there is a human personal connection in the videos that you're putting out, and so by only having an outline allows you to speak freely from what's in your heart and what's your mind without sounding robotic when you do it. So yeah, and also another suggestion that I would put under preparing is prepare yourself to make shorter videos, because the longer that the video is, the more that you're going to have to worry about making mistakes and having slip-ups and going and redoing the video and things like that. But when you have a shorter video and shorter content to put out in the beginning, it does give you the confidence that once you do that 5, 6, 7, 8, even 10-minute video, guys, that lets you know that, hey, I got this one done, now I can do another one without having to worry about having to redo the entire video 30 different times, which can be a bit of a headache when you're doing 1, 2, 3 hour long videos. So that would be my suggestion, is in the beginning, make shorter videos for your content, which leads straight in to tip number 3. Now, tip number 3, guys, is to accept the imperfection in your videos. Now, no video and no content creator is perfect, and anytime that you're making a video, guys, there's always going to be mistakes that are going to be unforeseen, that are probably going to drive your OCD a little bit insane, because it always drives my OCD insane when I go back and watch content and there's something that I didn't intend for there to be in the video that's in the video. But the truth of the matter is, even the guy guys who have 6, 7, 8, 10, 100 million subscribers, guys, they all still make mistakes in their video. And if you notice, they will actually just kind of elaborate on the mistakes in the video because that shows a human side. So guys, it is okay to have mistakes in your video, so don't worry about it. There's always going to be imperfection, guys. Don't let it discourage you from making videos. In fact, let it encourage you knowing that you're not alone and that there is not a single perfect video out there. There's just not. And anybody who tells you that is just trying to make you feel worse about yourself, and don't listen to them. So that, guys, is all I have for today on the 3-Tip Tuesday. I hope it was helpful. If it was helpful, guys, be sure and smash that like button, absolutely destroy the subscribe button. And guys, if you don't mind, also turn on that notification bell because that lets you know when new content from this channel uploads. So yeah, guys, and like I said in the beginning of the video, we're actually going to announce the giveaway subscriber. So let's hop right into that. All right, guys, I'm so excited to announce that the giveaway winner is Isaiah Link. Now guys, I am so appreciative for all your support on the last giveaway video. I am looking forward to doing more videos like that, more giveaways. But as always, guys, be sure and comment down below and let me know what you all want to see in the future videos, future content, any critiques, suggestions, or questions that you have. I promise I will get back and answer those for you and respond. And also, Isaiah, be looking for a message from me on getting the shipping information. That way I can get that sent out to you. Now guys, as always, I love you all and I will catch you all in the next video.